Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I want to show you how to make $1,000 a day with Bing ads. So if you're super excited for this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and go ahead and subscribe to this channel because right now I'm uploading videos on a daily basis teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And tick the bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So with that being said, this isn't going to be another Bing ads tutorial on how to set up a campaign. Okay, we're actually going to go deeper than that. I'm going to show you how to reverse engineer successful Bing campaigns so you can basically sort of model and deploy them into your own business. We often talk about how to model off of other people in the online marketing world and how we can use their successful campaigns to further and more quickly build our business. So let me show you just an example of how I've been able to do that on YouTube and how we can actually do that on Bing as well. So it was quite a while ago, I actually made a video on how to make money with Fortnite, okay, which is like a video game that people are going absolutely crazy about. It's something that's trending, that's really hot as of late. And I saw this Fortnite video. It's actually from this guy, The Realistic Entrepreneur, so credits to him. He created this video on how to make $300 a day by watching people play Fortnite. So I looked at this and I'm like, wow, this thing has, at the time, I think it had like 80 or 90,000 views. It now has 167,000. I'm like, you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to model success. And you can actually see one of my buddies, Todd Dow, actually did that. And he's got over 1,000 views from modeling videos like this and actually modeling my video after I released it. This is my video down here. And you can see that this video received 84,000 views. Very similar to this video. Changed up the title a little bit. I sort of modeled the framework. Okay, I'm not telling you guys to copy everything, but model the content, model the framework, model the outline. And that's what I did right here. As you can see, Joshua Elder, I got 84,000 views from modeling this original video by The Realistic Entrepreneur. So big thanks to him. So that's the idea, you guys. Don't reinvent the wheel. Find what's working already and simply model it. That's all I've done for the past 4.5, 5 years of being on the internet is I've been looking at what successful people are doing. And even Tony Robbins says this, model success. That's the quickest path to getting, having success, to getting what you want out of life, right? So we're going to show you how to do exactly just that also with Bing ads. So what I decided to do is I went to Bing and I decided to type a specific keyword phrase in that has to do with weight loss. So I typed in how to lose belly fat and I looked at these 3 ads or these 4 ads that are right here. You can probably see at the bottom there might be more ads as well. Let's see. Yeah, there's more ads down here as well. But what I want to do is I want to look at just what these ads look like, how people are, what people are selling, how they're selling these specific products, if they are selling anything. So what I did is I clicked on all these ads right here and you can see all 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's actually 3. Let me move this out of the way. I actually clicked on these 3 here, but let's click on this one too. Okay, and it's basically the same. It's the same ad. So if we look at these 4 ads, which are very much the same, you can see similarities to each of them. They're all advertorials. So when people land on these pages, they look like somebody's landing on an actual website, an actual authority site. And there's a publisher that published just another article on this website, like a Huffington Post. When you go to a Huffington Post or you go to like a Tribune page or you go to, any news outlet website out there on the internet, when you go to these sites, you're not just going to be sold. You don't feel like you're being sold to, where when you go to a specific sales page, you guys should all know what a sales page is. It's like, it's got a headline, it's got a video, and it has a buy button below it. And you know that people are going to that page to get sold to. You know that you're going to that page to get sold to. Where when somebody lands on a page like this, they feel like they're reading value. They feel like they're going to get value, but this is really like a sales page in disguise. Because if you click anywhere on this page, what happens is it leads you to this website right here. Okay. So the whole purpose of this website, this disguise is sort of like a news site, is that every single one of these links, every single one of these images lead out to this product here. Okay, and you can see like social proof, before and after, before and after. So the idea is not to go through this and break everything down for you, but this is an affiliate advertorial website. So these are all affiliate links. This here, this here, this here, and everything else. It all links back to the same exact product. So no matter where somebody clicks, it's going to a product. Okay, this is the same. I think they're both the same site. And this is sort of the same site. They're just split testing a different landing page. You can see there's a different graphic up here, but still very much the same setup and the same flow. And it probably goes, oh, it looks like that link's not working. So they're losing out on some money. Let's see if this one does. Okay, that one worked. So this goes to the exact same product once again. And then same with this one. I think they're all, let's see, this one's actually a little bit different. Has a different angle. You can see the headline. The Shark Tank, they're using Shark Tank's authority for this specific advertorial here. So it gives it more proof that people think it's real because it was actually on Shark Tank. Same thing here, just a different headline. Okay, so little differences, like this one says offer expires in a certain amount of time. Okay, this one already went up because I've had this open for a while. This one has a little pop-up. These ones don't have pop-ups. So this is most likely the same person that is advertising different landing pages. We talk about one of the reasons why we want to split test and why we want to advertise different versions of a landing page and even, different products, is we want to find out what converts best. So that's why you're seeing the different variations, but they're selling the same product here. So how do we actually find products like this? So number one, what I would do is I would go out there and figure out, you can hire somebody on a website called Upwork.com. You can hire a web designer to create a website that looks pretty much exactly like this. Maybe you'll change out a couple of images. Maybe you'll have somebody rewrite this so it's unique, so you're not plagiarizing. But I'd follow the same exact flow here. And even before that, I would make sure I would go in here every single day and I would type in how to lose belly fat. And I would see if the same ads pop up. If the same ads keep popping up day in and day out, that tells us something. It means that these ads are converting. Okay? So once we discover that, once we model the landing page here, what we want to do is we want to go out there and find the product, similar product they're promoting, or it could even be a product that's parallel, very much the same as this specific product. And we would use a affiliate marketplace known as offervault.com. Okay, and this is a affiliate marketplace that houses tons of different affiliate products that we can sell. Okay, it's actually the house marketplace that houses affiliate networks, not just affiliate products, but affiliate networks like ClickBank, like JVZoo, like Never Blue Ads, like Max Bounty. There's this like affiliatex.com or something like that. You can see right here. And all I did to come to this page, since I knew that they were promoting a keto offer, if you go to these trending searches right here, look at number 7, keto. So OfferVault actually tells us what products are trending in the marketplace right now. We want to be selling trending products. So number 7 is keto here. So we'd pull this page up and then we would go here, which would lead us to this Pure Fit Keto diet. And we can actually check out the landing page, and guess what? It's the same exact product. The only difference is the bottle's different. See the difference between this and this? The bottle's different. That's it. So what we would do is we would actually join this affiliate network right here. We'd click Get Started. And we'd fill out the user details, all the on-screen instructions. And we'd go on the inside of this affiliate network and we'd search for this keto product. And then we'd grab our affiliate links. If you've gone through my other affiliate training, you guys know how to get your affiliate link. In each marketplace, it's a little bit different. ClickBank, I teach a lot of people how to, do ClickBank marketing. And you got to log in. You got to find a specific link that's customized to you. That's how sales are tracked back to you. So when you go out there and sell that, share that specific link, somebody clicks on it and they decide to buy, that sell is tracked directly back to you. Okay, so you'd log in here, you'd grab your link, and then you would put your affiliate link in here. And of course, you want to make sure that your tracking is set up correctly. You want to make sure that you're testing different ads when it comes to Bing ads. Again, the success is in the details. I can't go over all that stuff in this video, but I want to go over the most important stuff, which is the overall business model and showing you what's working. The 30% of the extra research that you have to do is the keyword targeting, again, the split testing, and getting rid of what works and keeping what does work. And you can even use a tool called Keyword Spy, which is pretty cool. And you could spy on your competitors. So you can find out what other keywords maybe this competitor is using when it comes to their Bing campaigns, because you're going to bid on specific keyword phrases. Like these are all called keyword phrases. You actually bid on these. You pay a certain amount to not just be viewed at the top right here. Okay, you're not gonna get charged per view, but when somebody clicks on one of these ads, you are actually charged for it. So there's two ways to show up at the top of Bing. One is to pay for it, which is what we're doing with Bing ads. Two is to actually rank videos and rank blog posts and websites. Okay, so in this case, we're wanting to pay to rank, pay to play and rank at the top. So what we'll do is we'll bid on individual keyword phrases like this. And so what we want to do is we want to find out what websites out there, what specific keywords are they bidding on, and then model the landing pages, use the same exact keywords they're using, and then duplicate their results. And this is a little keyword tool that you can use to find out what your competitors are showing up for when it comes to paid advertising at the top of Bing. Okay, so for example, if we type in like lose weight, and we go to keywords, we click search, we can see all the ads that are showing up in Google AdWords, and I think they might even do Bing ads too as well. It says other PPC campaigns right here, so I'm assuming they do Bing ads. And what it'll do is it'll tell us when the ad was first seen and when it was last seen. So for example, if you see that it was like first seen May 4th and it was last seen July 28th, you know that that's a proven ad, that's a winner, that's something that we want to swipe, right, and use for our own marketing when it comes to bidding on the specific keyword. So I'd model this exact ad right here, and I would rinse and repeat with other different keywords. Okay, so that's sort of the process. That's the outline. I hope you guys got value from this video. If you did, let me know in the description below or in the comment section below. And if you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch, everything covered, nothing left unturned, check out the resources section below, the description, and check out my top recommended system. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to receive more videos like this. And we'll talk to you guys soon. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.